Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on another epoxy injection project. These zerks are installed. Strategic locations on the cracks. Once those are here, then we seal in between the cracks. That way when we inject the epoxy resin, we start at the bottom, and resin flows up to the next port, and that one's injected. That one's injected. You can follow this project on our website. I do before, during, and after videos of all my projects. Go to www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on our YouTube link. You can follow this project as well as about 2,000 other videos. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. We'll see you guys on the next one.